first step is to get you unarmed, and then come talk to me. Well, you can stop it at any time. You can come out here.
Total control. You have total control in all this. I'm out here safely. I'm not stalking you. Oh, let me. I done told you how you can trust me. You can check our trust. I told you I'm not leaving until tonight. You're safe.
I am a hypnotist! Get off my property!
Can't go away, buddy.
Yeah, I know it's. Hey, Jacob.
Does he have a gun in his hand?
Don't pick up the gun again, Jacob.
Get that fucking gun out of my fucking face!
Jacob, you can't be playing with the gun. Don't pick it up.
Get off my property!
Jacob, we can't right now. We can't.
No!
We want to help you. But we can't leave until we retire. No, honest is no.
You just fired a shot. You just upped it up, Jacob.
Get the fuck off my property!
You just fired a weapon.
Jacob, you need to walk out this way now.
Jacob.
You need to walk out this way now. You need to understand, you just stepped up the game, Jacob. I try to put it in your control. It was all in your control. Yeah, that's right, you made a loud noise. You fired a shot off. Right. And all I've been telling you is we're here to help you.
Yes, sir!
Right, so you need to step out here now. You done fired a shot off, and you up to the game for no reason. We've done nothing to be nice to you. And I can keep my promise, but you gotta walk out here without the gun now.
Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Show us your hands, and I will get him off you.
Show your hands!
I got. Where's the gun? Where's the gun?
Pick it up!
Shot!
Show your hands! Show your hands!
Where's the gun?
Where's the gun?
Do not move! Shot!